Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, we're going to create a health coach website. So how you can create? So before creating a website, I think so you need to two things which is really important for you. First of all, you need to domain, and also you need a hosting. So how you can buy a domain and hosting? So I am going to show you how you can buy a domain and hosting, as well as the login button. You need to put your ID, email ID and password something. So I'm going to click on the service. So you could, after clicking the services, you need to click on the active button. Yes, now we are just click on the login to cPanel button. So once you clicked on the login to cPanel, what you need to do, I'm also explaining you, don't worry. So now we are inside of the cPanel. Just scroll down, or you can also search. So I'm going to click on the WordPress because we're creating a website in WordPress only. So I just click on the WordPress. Now what you need to do, just scroll down, and I have already installed the WordPress. So now I'm going to remove this one, remove installation. But what you need to do, once you again whenever you coming here, then click on the install. And also I want to main directory, and if you want to subdirectory, create suppose this is your domain and you want to put in the blog something, so you can put the blog and whatever you want. This is a version basically. Also we want in HTTPS, so I just select the HTTPS version. And you whatever admin user you want, so I just want to admin, and just click on the hide and whatever you want, and I want to put the password. Okay, and also here you can select any email ID, whatever your email ID is. So yeah, I have put it. Now again just scroll down and just click on the install. So after clicking the installations, this will take less than 30 seconds something. So now we are the finally successfully installed the WordPress. Just click on the main, this is the home page, and this is the admin panel. So after clicking the admin panel and home page, you can check this is a home page. Okay, also now we are the admin panel. Look, we have the admin panel. So using admin panel, just I'm giving the overview about the admin panel. You can check up the setting. So whatever setting is there, you can change your email ID and password something. Okay, so also some permanents I will explain you, don't worry. And any plugin you want to add, so of course you can click on the plugin and you can search here, and whatever plugin you need, and you need to click on the, suppose we want a SEO. Okay, so I just search on the here only the keyword which is SEO, and you just need to click on the install. So this way you can install the plugin. So now the main point, we need to first of all install the theme. So I'm going to click on the theme and click on the add new, and here you can set extra. After clicking the extra, what you need to do, just click on the install button. Just click on the install button. Yes, this will take little bit time, so keep patience. So finally this is successfully installed. Just click on the active button. So after clicking active button, what you need to do, also you need to click here, which is the extra option. Then we need to import all plugins. So just click on the import all plugins. So this process will take little bit time, so keep patience. Yeah, finally this is successfully installed. So now you can select whatever page builder you need. Suppose we have the Elementor, we have the Brewer template, and so I'm going to select which is the Elementor. And appearance starter template you need to click, and you need to choose the free templates. Just click on the free, and here you can select as a health. So here we can check with the health coach. You need to click here and just click on the import complete site. So once you clicked on the import complete site, you should wait for few seconds. Yes, just click on the skip and import. So here I am going to show here. I am going to select which is the intermediate label, and also you can select, so you want to for yourself or you want to client. So I just click on the client, and also you can delete the previous import site. So and click on the next button and just click on the skip. So once you have done this process, so what you need to do, just wait for a few minutes. So this process will take little bit time, just wait for a few minutes. So we have successfully done the setup. What we need to do, just click on the view site. Once you clicked on the view site, just wait for a few minutes. Yes, so successfully we have done. So I think so you can check, we have the good yoga coaches already in the video. And yes, and also you can check, we have the good website, and is really amazing. We can say something the clean and neat and clean something. So here we have the live a healthy life, learn from the expert. So of course you can also link here the view courses, whatever courses you're providing. So of course you can link here, and you can check, we have the all courses here. So of course you can directly link for this page only. Yes, so let me show you. And you can also add the features course, whatever courses we have, and here you can do some testimonial sections also, and just click on the contact. So you can also add some basic information related to your, I mean, you can put here your form and those things. So how you can, I think so something's problem in the theme, let me show you. Just click on the Elementor. So once you clicked on the Elementor, by using Elementor you can customize your website. Okay, so how you can do that, I'm going to show you. Suppose I think so here the form is not showing, so let me click on again here. So we directly can search here, I mean, sample contact form I want, so I just choose this one. So here you can check, we have the now the form is appearing. So what we can do here, so also you want to change something, any field, like if you want to add here, I mean, mobile numbers. So of course you can do that. You need to configure from the SMTP, which is the let me show you. I am going to WP forms we have, and using the WP forms you can customize your form. Okay, we have the two forms right now. You want to change something, of course you can change here. Let me show you. And here we have the some basic information, like you want to change number, and you want to change email ID, and you want to change these things. So of course you can do that. Just click on the edit button. After clicking the edit button, you can directly add here, which is your email ID. Of course you can do that. And here we have the phone number. So you want to change your phone number, so of course you can do that. And after clicking the changing your number, email ID, just click on the update button. Don't forget to click on the update, otherwise you will lost your all data. So now again here we have the contact. You want to change something like a contact us something, you can put here and just click on the update button. That's it. So now I'm going to show you again the home page. Hope so now you can see, you can add here your client logo, feature add, and here also you can add some testimonial things. Okay, so here you can check, if you want to add, you view all courses, of course you can do that. Okay, so here what are the benefit, I mean, if you're doing the yoga, so you of course you can features and benefit you can explain here, and also the trainer. So suppose you have the multiple trainers, also you can add here their profile. So I think so better for you. And also we have the newsletter. So you want create a website. If you are having any challenge during the creating website, you can contact me, definitely I will help you.